Hi guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Right, so you would have getting this error over your PC, your laptop, and on your phone, right? So here, if I just try to go to my Google Chrome, and if I just open ChatGPT and just hit the enter, and I will just click on here, I will click on try ChatGPT. It will load for a few seconds, and here you can see that you have to just wait and it's working perfectly fine. Right here it says that we're experiencing exceptionally high demand, right? So that's not an issue, you can still use ChatGPT, right? Okay, so you would have getting this error. So what you have to do, you have, first of all, let me tell you, if you're using a laptop or a PC, you if you're getting this error, I mean if you're getting this issue over your Google Chrome, then try to reopen in a different browser. Just try it over the Mozilla Firefox, or the best I can say, use Microsoft Edge, right? Yeah, yes guys, in Microsoft Edge it's worked perfectly fine, and many times I faced this issue over my Google Chrome, but whenever I try to open on my Microsoft Edge, it's worked perfectly fine, right? And in the phone, you have to just go click on the top right side corner, three dots, go to the setting, and here you have to delete all the cookie, right? And all the everything. So just try to delete all the cookie and everything, and it worked perfectly fine. But if you're again facing the issue, then you have to do the same thing, use a different browser, right? And in the different browser it will work perfectly fine. So these are the solution. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.